everybody, and welcome to Bitunix, the world's fastest growing crypto and derivatives exchange. Today, I'm going to show you how to purchase Bitcoin on the platform. So the first thing you need to do is go onto the home page and sign up for an account. So there's two ways to do so. You can use an email or you can use your phone number. So use whatever email you want and put it right there. And make sure you use a strong password because, again, this is how you access your crypto funds. So we're going to put a password there. And then right here, it says referral code optional. So if you have an influencer that you like and want to support, you can put their referral code, or if your friend has a referral code for you, you can put that there. A basic one you can use right now is pump, and you'll get some incentives here, some 5,500 USDT worth of newbie benefits. Then you click to agree to the Bitunix user agreement. Then you click sign up right there, and you'll be prompted with a CAPTCHA. So you're going to want to just simply solve the CAPTCHA like this. Verification success, and it will send you a email, or if you use your phone number, it will send you a text with a 6-digit verification code. And this is where you can actually put in the verification code, and as soon as you click access Bitunix, your account will be live. Alright guys, so now that you have your account set up and you're signed in, what we need to do is we need to purchase some form of crypto in order to get the Bitcoin. So in other terms, we need to deposit USDT so we can buy our Bitcoin. So there's actually a few ways we can do this. One of them is you click this buy crypto button in the top left, and you can use P2P. So to do so, you would have to be KYC'd, and you can actually purchase USDT from real people just like this. You can also go to a third-party way to purchase, and so you can use your Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay, a bunch of other options like that. You can type in the amount right here and purchase it like so. Now, the main way that I personally like to fund my account is by going over to my asset overview, and from here you'll see this yellow deposit button. So you can click that, and most people use USDT to send around, but if you have other crypto assets, you can also choose those, and all you have to do is put in the network that you want to use, and you can copy or scan the QR code of this deposit address and send money directly into there. So I myself am going to do this right now for the purposes of the tutorial. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scan the QR code using my phone right here, and I have a wallet on my phone that I'm going to be sending money to. Okay, great. So as you can see, our USDT just arrived. So we have 49.88 USDT, and now we can finally purchase the Bitcoin. So what we do is we head over to this tab up here on the menu called Spot, and we click Spot Orders. This will allow us to choose either a limit order or a market order. A limit order purchases the Bitcoin at a lower price than what there currently is going for. So let's say it's at 95,767 right now. I can do a limit order at 95,000, and when price gets down to 95,000, it will purchase at that price. But for the purposes of this video, I want to do a market order. So now what I can do is I can type in the USDT amount that I want to purchase, or I can use this slider here to select a percentage of my balance that I want to use. I'm going to use 50% and purchase BTC. Now when you see this green check mark order placed, that means that it went through. And if you go to the order history, you can see it right there for our fill price, the quantity, And when we go back to our asset overview, if you click the spot account here, it shows you all the assets that are in there. And as you can see, we have our Bitcoin right here, and it shows the USD value of that right there. So next, there's another way to purchase Bitcoin, and this is called a futures contract. So let me briefly describe the difference. So when you buy a spot Bitcoin, you are physically buying that Bitcoin and you have it in your wallet now. Versus when you buy a futures contract, you own a contract of that Bitcoin at a certain price, but you do not actually own that physical Bitcoin. You are not able to withdraw it or move it around. It is just a contract on the exchange. And what the benefits of that are is you can actually use margin right here. And so basically using this leverage, you can buy more Bitcoin than you could have if you just purchased spot by using a smaller amount and leveraging. Now this is good when Bitcoin is going up, but there is a downside. You will have a liquidation price, meaning that is a price that where if Bitcoin goes below that price, you will have to forfeit that contract and you lose the amount of money that you put into it. So if you're planning to hold your Bitcoin for long term or a few months, it is recommended that you use a spot position of Bitcoin. So that way you don't have to worry about any liquidation price if the price goes down, and you can still enjoy the upside rewards. So just to show you, if you did want to use the futures, you just need to first of all click this little icon in the top right, and you can transfer money from your spot account to your futures account. So we're going to transfer $25, submit. Now you can see we have that right there. Here we can choose our margin amount for the leverage, and then simply type it in right there, open long, and now this green line will appear. This is where our contract price has been initiated, and now the price will either go up or down. But as you can see, we have a liquidation price of $87,000. So if Bitcoin goes below $87,000, we will lose the 25 USDT that we put into this Bitcoin. So it is more risky than just purchasing a spot Bitcoin. However, the benefit is we have a larger amount of Bitcoin. See, our position size is 248 USDT because we used that leverage. So you have a few trade-offs there because of that. So yeah, now you can look at your order history on all these positions that you've had, position history, trade history, funding history, things like that. All your positions will be here. You can't only just use Bitcoin on futures. You can actually purchase many other coins on futures. So if you have any other coins that you like, you can do so like that. If you wanted to close your contract, you can just press close right there. But overall, these are the two main ways to purchase Bitcoin. Highly recommend you just purchase a spot order. And if you wanted to sell your Bitcoin, you go back to your spot orders, and instead of using the left side where you can buy it, you go here and you can sell a percentage of your Bitcoin just like that, and the order goes through, and you can see that right there on your order history. We have a sell. Now if any questions do come up, there's a 24/7 live chat that you can just click right here on the bottom right, and the dedicated support team can help you. If you have any questions about purchasing Bitcoin, you just click this little button down here and the icon pops up. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and happy trading.